A rainy day walk. Emma and her brother like to walk in the rain. One cloudy day, they take their boots and umbrellas. "Don't forget your umbrella," says Mom. They walk slowly and look at the raindrops. They jump in puddles and laugh. A frog hops across the road. "Hello, Mr. Frog," says Anna. They see wet flowers and birds hiding under trees. Their clothes get wet, but they don't mind. They feel happy and free. After the walk, they go home. Mom gives them warm towels and hot chocolates. They sit together and talk about the fun walk. Rainy days can be special days too.